Ready. Start. The cause of action as pleaded in the plaint is also clearly directed against original defendant number 1 appellant herein alone. Please refer para 44 of the plaint along with other relevant paras of the plaint, specifically paras 16, 17, 34 and 37. Mr. Mehta submitted that the impunged order could be said to have been passed in violation of the principles of natural justice, as the same does not even record the submissions advanced on behalf of the appellant herein before the commercial court. He pointed out that the arguments advanced before the trial court were primarily twofolds: that in view of the valid and binding arbitration agreement between each of the original plaintiffs and the appellant herein, and the underlying alleged cause of action and reliefs sought in the suit being directed only against the appellant herein, the parties sought to be referred to arbitration under section 45 of the Arbitration Act, being a case of an international commercial arbitration, and till such time the said issue is decided, no other application be taken up for hearing consideration, and a bare reading of the arbitration agreement, and in light of the facts and circumstances of the present case, as also the settled legal position, the proper remedy, if any, was for the plaintiffs to invoke arbitration, and may be approached court of competent jurisdiction under section 9 of the Arbitration Act for seeking injunctive interlocutory reliefs. Mr. Mehta submitted that neither of the aforementioned arguments on behalf of the appellant have been even taken note of in the impunged order passed by the trial court. The second submission of Mr. Mehta is that the impunged order is erroneous in as much as the same was passed after deciding the Exhibit 5 application. He submitted that the court below first passed the order dated 1st February 2020 below Exhibit 5 and thereafter passed the impunged order dated 4 February 2020 below Exhibit 24. According to Mr. Mehta, the court below ought to have first decided the Section 45